Welcome. In front of me is an Emporia Smart.5 and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now to get started we'll need to pop off the back cover. So I have this here for no reason. I'm gonna throw it aside. So the cover has this little pry area right here in the bottom right corner. I don't want to break it. Okay, there we go. Took a little bit of prying. So here we have our little SIM card and SD card on the other side. So I'm gonna simply slide it in. It gives you the image right here, so how you're supposed to place it. Because the SIM card does have a cutout, as you can see on one of the sides. So make sure you have it in the same area, and then simply slide the card in like so. And grab the SD card, same as SIM. It has a little image right here, so slide it like so. And it looks like the SIM card is already working. It's giving me the pop-up right here from provider. Now let's see if we have anything about the SD card, and we do right here. So both of the cards are already working and no extra steps are needed right here for them to be recognized. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.